I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Mailchimp. For that, first of all, open up your Mailchimp app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of sign up for free. Tap on it. Then enter the email address that you want to link to your account, create a username and set a password. Be sure that your password has uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. When you're done, tap on the arrow sign which is on your right hand side. Be sure that the email address that you have entered is correct, then tap on confirm. After you tap on confirm, you'll now need to enter your first name and your last name. Now enter what kind of organization you have, and if you have a website, enter the website. Now search for your address. Now select your country for country code and then enter your phone number. Now you'll need to verify your phone number, so tap on verify. Mailchimp will now send you a verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code. This way you can create Mailchimp account. Now you can create marketing campaigns, track and understand performance, design and publish social ads instantly and more. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.